Hi friends, hi Mathiazhagan, Department of Computer Applications, Drsnsrcas College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we have a one case study for topic title is Image Forensics. So first we think image forensics, we have a find out for the investigations and then finding. So what are the investigations and how to find the image forensics? So this title we will go for image forensics. So one is the investigations. So investigations, the initial analysis, they are the expert for analysis. Okay, so the gallery hires a digital forensics expert to conduct an initial analysis of the images file. The expert examine the metadata such as a EXIF data to gather information about the camera settings, date, and time of the capture. So it is the initial analysis for the investigations. So second point is any inconsistencies or anomaly in the metadata could indicate the possible tampering or manipulations. So any inconsistencies or anomalies in the metadata indicated possible or temporary or manipulation for the investigations. So what is the finding in metadata inconsistency? The metadata, I am explaining with finding, the metadata revolves descriptions in the date and time of the capturing, suggesting potential manipulations. Second point is the camera information is the metadata, does the pigment typically used by the claimed photo. This is the finding. So second one is the ELA. ELA means error level analysis. So it is the error level analysis is the investigations performed to identify the compressions, artifact and anomalies in the images. It helps to highlight areas that may have been digitally altered. Second point is the investigator compare the error level in a different part of the images to identify, recognize with inconsistent error level and suggesting the potential temporary. So it is the investigation of error level analysis. How to finding? So error level finding is the highlight area in the images with significantly different errors levels and indicating the potential manipulations. Certain elements in the images such as the lighting and show the sign of the digital alterations. So this is the ELA. It is the error level analysis, is the investigations and finding levels. So next one's investigation is the duplicate image search. How to duplicate image search in investigations? The expert use reverse images search tools check if the submitted photography matches any existing images on the internet. On the internet, any existing images, it is through the searching toolbox. You have a check, and if you submitted for the photography matches any existing image of the through the internet, this help is defining if the images, if a copy or an original creations. So it is the investigation of duplicate images or not. Second is the if the images is found elsewhere online, it raises questions about the authenticity of the submission. So this is the investigation of duplicate images. How to finding? So it's the duplicate image searching finding. It is the reverse images search identify multiple instant of the same photography or different websites. So different website it is the searching. So it's a photography, same photograph or different website. It is the instantly multiple identify. It is the done or original or submission of the finding the result. So it is the duplicate image searching process. So next one is the forensics hash analysis. Yeah, cryptographic hash is generated for the high images. This hash service the unique fingerprint of the file. It is the investigation of the forensics hash analysis. So hash is compared against no hashtag for the legitimate images or against other submission by the claimed photography to verify in the authenticity. So it is the forensics hash images. How to find the forensic hash analysis? Hash analysis is the indicated that the images file has been modified from the original state. It is the hash analysis. So next one is the collection of the surveillance footage. So surveillance footages is used for the officer obtain the surveillance footage from the jewelry storage security camera. The footages camera is the timeline of the burglary, showing the suspect entering the store and interacting with the security system and leaving the stolen item. It is the investigation of the collection of the surveillance footages. So how to find out? It is the video quality. Enhanced video quality footages provided for the clear view of the suspect features and clothing and action during the burglary. So next one, investigation of the video quality. How to investigation? It is the initial footage of the often varying a quality, especially in the term of the resolution and the lighting conditions, lighting conditions, and the forensics expert use video enhancement techniques to improve the clarity of the footages. So enhancement may be involved adjustment, contrast, brightness, and using the specialized software to reduce the noise, and ultimately is the providing a clear views of the suspect action. So it is the investigation. How to finding facial recognition? Facial recognition identifies the potential match with an individual known to law enforcement to previous criminal actions. So next one is the timeline analysis. Timeline analysis is the investigator carefully analyze the timeline of the event in the footages to establish and sequence of the action. This involves tracking the suspect movement and the interaction with the surroundings. So timing and sequence analysis can be help establish the suspect intent and identify any accomplices or potential witness. So how to finding? It's the timeline analysis. Timeline analysis help establish the clear sequence of the event and indicating that the suspect entered in the store with the intent or left or it is the burglary. So conclusion, this video forensics investigation, it is the strongly suggested that to submitted the photography is not an original work by the claimed photographer. The inconsistency of the metadata, error level analysis, duplicate images, and hash analysis, and some of the video quality analysis is a collectively point of the digital manipulation and raised doubt about the authenticity of the images. So gallery XYZ is the decide for the not is the processed with the exhibition of the questionable photography and notified. The anonymous submitter about the finding of the investigations. These cases highlight the improvement of the image forensics in verifying the authenticity of the digital images, especially in the context of the art and photography. This is the helpful of the image forensics and video quality forensics. It is the one type of